if you would bought preferred seating for an additional fee, it would look a lot bigger, all right? And what? Oh, ladies and gentlemen, watch as he weaves in and out, showing his agility on the water. Oddly enough, Star here also majored in basket weaving. Many people want to know how you get to work with killer whales, orcas. Well, it's very simple. Low SAT scores. Bad guidance counselor. Oh, look at the majestic animal rolling through the puddle. Ladies and gentlemen, how about that? What's that, Star? Who wants to see the grand finale? Huh? Yes! Make some noise, ladies and gentlemen. Watch as all 10,000 pounds leap up and out of the water, reaching distances 12 times their body size and touching the ball. What do you mean lower? Fine. Like I said, measuring distance 6 times their body, going all the way up and out of the water. Star, this is the finale! Go! Fine! Ladies and gentlemen, watch as the majestic orca touches the ball! And again, slow motion!
You know, we've made so many amazing memories.